I done got my exhaust. Soho Catback full. Catback system with the wild pipe. After 3 months of waiting for it, I got my exhaust. Yeah, yeah. Only 40 pounds, so it's dragging me. Yes, sirree, baby. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's just your boy D from the Lost. Don't come in this shit for no reason. You know why Guan is an easy team. Since you're here, you already know what this big old box is for right here. This is drum roll please. Now I'm just playing. Now this is my Soho full catback exhaust system with the wild pipe included. I ordered this April 24th. Today is now June 16th. So it took about 8 weeks. Just about 8 weeks to actually get it fabricated and all that good stuff. I actually ordered the burnt tip. Everything together from Soho itself was $13.44, so not bad. The reason why I chose to do the single exit, I have not seen that many sedans around locally where I'm at in North Carolina with single exits. I see it all the time, like in California and stuff like that, Texas. Initially I was all against getting the single exit. My boy Tristan and Antonio Termi, my crew EQ Hoonigans, kind of persuaded me, and also George at Soho Motorsports persuaded me. I actually broke it down to let me know how exactly a single exit works, right? So naturally G35 has the dual throttles, right? Dual exhaust pipes, right? It's not a true dual, goes in the wide pipe, goes into one, right? So the pressure and the air is kind of being divided into two passageways, and you're restricting kind of power and airflow, right? So now with the straight through, pretty much single exit, it's one passageway, all right? So all the air straight through, all right? Equals more power. So I went with the single exit. I didn't like the way it was gonna look with single exit. Nothing on the other side of the car. It comes with two pipes, you know. So I get used to that. I'll try to figure out what I'm gonna put over there. But for the unboxing, let's take a look at what we got. Alright, the package itself only weighs 40 pounds. This looks like the muffler. I'm gonna put this to the side and get this opened up soon. Got clamps. Also look like a letter inside of here, the pen. Soho Motorsports is the receipt. So, as I said, everything came with about $13.34. It's $12.49 on the site. If you have a G35 sedan, you're gonna have to select a G37 sedan all-wheel drive. And in the notes, when you purchase, just let them know, hey, you got a 2008 or 2007 G35 rear-wheel sedan, and then I also requested burnt tip. So thank you, George, and everybody else at Soho for this. Hold on to this. Also come with the gaskets. It might be the mid-pipe, if I'm not mistaken. Should be the mid-pipe. All right. To the side. Trying to just look through it. This might be one of the wires. Maybe a wire pipe right here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can't really see much. Yeah, this might be the other wire pipe. Put it together. Can't see much. These guys did a great job bubble wrapping it together. I mean, it's layers on layers and layers of bubble wrap, right? Let me see. I don't know what this is. Yep, this is the beginning of the wire pipe. Okay. Alright. So we have also our nuts, bolts, and washers that they placed. Waited for a long time to get this exhaust. Seen everybody with their nice exhausts, everybody with their ISRs and stuff like that. I rarely ever see somebody locally for me with a Soho single exit with the wide pipe on a G35 or a G37. I don't really see it. I know it's people out there, and just me commenting, I don't see it. So, decided to go with Soho rather than ISR and all that other stuff. Alright, also, quick little spoiler update. My 08 G35 Sedan that you guys see in the channel will be getting tuned from these guys at Soho Motorsports. So stick around for that. I'm going to be uploading a series of things that you would have to have, pretty much requirements before you get tuned up. So stick around for that. I'm going to just start opening. When we see the material and the quality of some of this stuff. It's not a Tony, but guess what? I'm gonna call it Baby Tony. I slash my hand. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna while I bleed out for a minute after slashing my damn hand. God damn. All right, YouTube, I'm back after almost bleeding out to death. Ironically, my middle finger. I know. But all right, let's get back to it, man.
I need to put insurance cards.
I'm a girl in the kitchen talking about insurance cards. I'm trying to get this Baby Tony, aka Fat Boy, aka Ooh-wee. I need to take off a little bit more bubble wrap. How this about to sound? I already know it. I already know it, baby. I already know it. You see it? Oh man. The Fat Daddy Soho single egg. Oh my God. Ooh, hold on, camera. Hold on, camera. Holy shit. Hold on, camera. Baby, come hold this camera for me real quick, baby. Woo-wee. Look at the Fat Daddy. See that? Hold on. Let me show him over the camera real quick. Yeah, you came too late, baby. I'm sorry. Let me put this right here. Stand up real quick. Whoops. Woo. This is the burnt tip. Got this specially requestedly made. Put in a request to burn it. They do not do the techno tips. That's fine. Look at that exhaust. Woo-wee! It's a Fat Daddy right there. The welding, great job with the welding. All the way down. Boy, this is crazy right here. This right here is crazy. Got the vibrate on there. This is crazy. Coming from somebody with a muffler delete, gotta get a full catback system. Got to get it. Alright, so that's the Soho Motorsports full catback. Gotta just assemble everything else. And I still got something else. This should be the mid pipe over here. I haven't got to that yet. And then look at this. Just look at the look at the welding on this. It's a masterpiece. Alright, so we're gonna go back on time lapse as I open up. It should be the 4-inch exhaust tip. Don't look at my girl stars or anything like that. To show you the burnt tip right there. Like I said, 4 inches. Fat Daddy. Soho Motorsports. Say, hey baby. How you doing?
Get me off of here.
Alright, she said subscribe to the channel, right? Subscribe to the channel.
Get me the fuck off.
Alright, we're gonna get off. Alright, so you two, we're here at O'Reilly's. I have the exhaust and everything else needed in the back. I'm gonna go pick up a PCV, actually 2 PCV valves. Let the car breathe better. So give me a second. Alright y'all, so Deion is installing the mid pipe, aligning everything up right now. That's how the wide pipe, show you guys a little bit better view. That is how the wide pipe looks underneath. And aligning the mid pipe right here. And then it'll come out the left exit. It'll come out right on this side. So nothing won't be on this side, but we'll have that big 4-inch fat boy sit right over here. Alright, so we'll update you little by little. Might just put it on time lapse for right now, but almost finished. Alright, so here in this clip right here, my man Deion, he's working on the exhaust right here. We finally got the old exhaust off, the full system, wide pipe, all that good stuff. Finally got that off. He just, like I said, he's just realigning everything, making sure everything is the way that I want it to fit. We did indeed have to remove the shield covers. It was kind of in the way of the exhaust in the middle by the mid pipe. So we had to remove that one, and we also had to remove another shield right by the bumper to the exhaust. That way the hangers would hang up correctly, and I could still get the exhaust kind of pushing away from the car about an inch and a half. So not that bad. So we're back, just getting everything aligned. This shit right here is sexy as hell. So we're gonna try to have it adjust just a tad bit. That way when we're shooting the flames, it's not gonna burn up the bumper. Right there. So we'll try to adjust it up a little bit. Not that much wiggle room, but we're gonna make it work. Look inside of there if you guys can, if you focus in. So here we have pretty much everything's installed. I'm just gonna do is 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, so I don't want to wake up the neighbors too loud. So I'm gonna do 2 revs here, nothing too major, but you guys just listen in to the revs.
Smoke came out that top.
As y'all can hear, Soho single exit sounds crazy. I'm thinking I do need to get a camshaft, new camshaft sensor. I'm having like a little misfiring, which I heard right there. So I'll probably get that before I go to the Soho Motorsports. Probably have them install it, have my man Deion install it again. But like I said, the project is coming along pretty damn good. That was my last missing piece. So now the G35 is full bolt on. Berk resonated test pipes, Soho Motorsport wide pipe, Soho Motorsport full catback single exit, Raceland Coilovers, got them readjusted. Dealing with the bumpiness due to the fact that we we left the springs in initially when we put them in. So as y'all can see on the spring pan, there's no springs no more. So I mean, I'm just floating now. I don't have problems. So I might lower it down just a tad bit more, but the front, I'm gonna leave the front as is. Don't want to scrape. Still gonna take off my mud flaps first. So like I said, full bolt on. Got the Stillen Gen 3 long tube intakes. I'm also going to be doing a series breaking down individually in a video what exactly all the parts that you would need before you go to get tuned up. Alright, so you see the Stillen Gen 3 intakes as well. I'm still going to be changing out the grill to put it in as the carbon fiber mesh grill. I'm going to wait on that. Not really too fond of getting that ASAP. Main thing is just getting tuned. June 30th, and be dropping a lot of videos leading up to it. Like I said, I'm gonna drop pretty much a series of exactly what performance parts, what parts that you have to change, what needs to be altered for you guys to get tuned. Again, I'm gonna be running E85, so no more 93, 91, 87, anything like that. I'll go into how you can find E85 stations. So I'm pretty much just breaking it down the next 10 days as we get tuned up. We'll get ready to get tuned up, and then like I said, we're gonna have a lot of fun after June 30th. So appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel, sharing the videos, coming back to watch for more. Appreciate the hell out of you guys. Like I said, 500th subscriber, I'll give away the exhaust, so we'll do something special once we get 500 subscribers. So on that note, that's gonna be it. Appreciate you guys for watching this long ass video. I tried to make it like a DIY at the same time while enjoying it. Was gonna do a couple ride alongs with the GoPro, but I lost my suction cup in the car wash, so I'll have to get another one. So no ride along right now, but I'll put another ride along. I'll upload it soon as I get another suction cup, and that's gonna be it for the video, y'all.